Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News, and this is Hena Talati. As the 4 months long southwest monsoon comes to an end, it has got more vigorous in certain states of India. Widespread and heavy rain is likely over Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Uttarakhand till September 23rd according to the Indian Meteorological Department. The low pressure area is lying over the central parts of the East Rajasthan and adjoining West Madhya Pradesh. A cyclonic circulation is lying over the northwest Bay of Bengal and adjoining areas of North Odisha, West Bengal, Bangladesh coast. The western part of the monsoon trough is lying south of its normal position and its eastern end is its near normal position. Due to these meteorological features, widespread rainfall with isolated heavy rain is likely over Gujarat, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh during next 4 to 5 days. Heavy falls are likely to persist over Gujarat on Monday as well as with rain amounts adding to 60 to 70 millimeters. The rain activity is predicted to ease from the Tuesday onwards, even while the system will likely remain around Gujarat for a few more days. The Indian Meteorological Department had kept the Gujarat and East Rajasthan under the orange alert for Sunday, urging residents to be prepared for stormy weather conditions. For Monday, Gujarat and West Madhya Pradesh has been kept under orange alert. Widespread rainfall with the isolated heavy rain is very likely over Uttarakhand till September 23rd. Widespread rainfall with the isolated heavy rain is likely to continue over Odisha and Gangetic West Bengal today. Meanwhile, in the east, another cyclonic circulation centered over the coastal areas of the West Bengal is likely to move westward toward the boundaries of Jharkhand and Odisha on Tuesday and progress into the central region during the next 2-3 days. As for the mercury levels, temperatures will be cooler than average over Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat for the next couple of days. In Punjab, adjoining Pakistan, it will be cooler by 8 degrees Celsius or less than 8 degrees lower than the normal from Tuesday and persist until this weekend. The overnight temperatures are likely to become warmer than average across India for the next several days. The trans-Himalayan lows in particular are forecast to run warmer than the average. Mumbai rains have been on the lower side of the fans for quite some time, with the rains remaining only light in nature. However, now it seems that Mumbai rains are back again, well, at least for a while. Rain activities have intensified once again over the Mumbai and suburbs. So much so that in the last 24 hours until 8:30 today morning, Mumbai Santa Cruz Observatory has recorded 71 millimeters of the heavy rains. Most of these rains have been recorded during the late night or early morning hours. Rains are continuing with the varied intensity over the city now as well. As per the meteorologist, it can be expected on and off the rain to continue over the Mumbai and adjoining areas. At present, the monsoon surge is active along the west coast including Mumbai. This is due to the cyclonic circulation over Madhya Pradesh and another Chhattisgarh, West Madhya Pradesh. Therefore, Mumbai and adjoining North Maharashtra are expected to receive moderate showers with 1 or 2 heavy spells until September 22nd. During these rainfall days, there is also a possibility of temperatures witnessing a drop. Thereafter, the rainfall activities along these areas are expected to reduce to quite an extent, hence the weather will start clearing up. It gives us immense gratification to announce that Nanolite has organized an international webinar on 21st September to commemorate Zero Emissions Day. Let us all join this great event to learn from our dignitaries from across the world to put a cap on our emissions to mitigate climate change. Get yourself registered for the event. The link is in the description given below. Can't wait to see you all there. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.